I like to start with what I know and then work towards what I don't know. I wanted to take the formality of the house and the informality of the woods and kind of make the two combine. I'd like to show you how not to mulch around a tree. It's a step that I see very few landscapers doing. You want to make sure to have variation in your heights. Look at how lovely this is. We just cued the butterfly to come in. How you doing today, guys? I've been working on a job where I have a lot of brush. I've been pruning a privet hedge, and rather than load my truck 20 times with brush and take it to the dump and waste a lot of time, I just decided to make a big pile in the front yard here and rent a chipper. So I figured maybe some of you guys like to come along for the ride. So what I'd like to do today is go ahead and show you a Model 90 brush Bandit chipper and just show you how it works. The one I got is a rental, and it's got a Kubota diesel in there, and it's got a 9-inch chipping capacity. So this should be pretty fun. As you're watching the video today, if you could do me a favor, and if you could think of the song by George Thorogood called Bad to the Bone, with that really strong guitar riff, I got that song in my head on the way over here today because this chipper is bad to the bone. With that Kubota diesel and a 9-inch capacity, what looked like it was going to be a ton of work is going to go pretty quickly. Before we go too far in the video, let me just show you what I have to chip today. This is all brush from a privet hedge that I've been pruning, and I really did think it was going to be a lot of work, but I really can't see me running this chipper for more than a couple hours tops to chip all that up. Well, folks, I think that just about does it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching me with the chipper. Maybe you learned a thing or two, and maybe if you've got a job around the house or if you have a business where you need a chipper, you'll be just a little bit more comfortable using one. I just want to caution you when you're chipping. I grabbed this branch and there's a fence in it. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but there's a fence and there's also some wire there. You know, you got to be careful when you're chipping because you never know what you're going to find. If you bring the chipper back to the rental place and it's got dull blades, they're usually going to charge you a sharpening fee or a replacement fee. I mean, not dull blades, but if you bring them back and they're trashed, and I don't even know if a piece of wire like this would trash them or not, but you know, just be careful with what you're chipping. There was a time many years ago where we were using a pitchfork to pick up some brush, and somehow the pitchfork was left near the chipper and the pitchfork got sucked in the chipper, and I think more than the $200 the rental place charged to replace the blades was the embarrassment of having run a pitchfork through the chipper. I try not to do stuff like that. So again, folks, thanks for watching. Have yourselves a wonderful day, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Here is our Kubota diesel. Let's see if this opens on this side. So there's our Kubota diesel. I'm not sure how well you can see that. A Kubota diesel, in my book, is one of the top diesel engines, and I'm pretty sure that that'll never wear out. We got the